Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. It comes with great features you love: power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive writes, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.